Well, I'm John Rennie. I'm a science writer and editor. For 15 years, I was the editor-in-chief of Scientific American magazine. These days, I'm the editorial director of Access Science, Encyclopedia of Science. And these days, of course, I'm also the host of Hacking the Planet on the Weather Channel.
I'm Cara Maria. I'm a science communicator. Right now I'm working as the senior science correspondent for the Huffington Post, where I do a video series called Talk Nerdy to Me. And on Hacking the Planet, along with Brian, I give John advice about what leads to follow and where he should go next. I don't think he could do his job without me.
I'm Brian Malow, and I'm a science comedian. I'm also curator of the Daily Planet, which is a great title for a science communications job that I have here at the North Carolina Museum of Natural Sciences in Raleigh. And on the show, Hacking the Planet, I guess I'm one of two correspondents that John checks in with throughout the show. And we do a little research, try to find some interesting stories, point them off in interesting directions.
Over the years, working as a science writer, I'd been exposed to a lot of different ideas randomly that people had sometimes brought up about ways that it might be possible to, say, manipulate the weather or do something to alter climate.
I think there's a connection between science and comedy. Seeing patterns, very often that's what comedy is. It's just connecting things in a way that maybe no one else noticed before.
Science is everything and it's everywhere. I think a lot of people mix up science. They think of it as a profession, or they think of it as a discipline or the name of a textbook, and they don't think of it as a process, as a lens, as a way of looking at the world. To use reason, to use logic, to be your own person, to question things, that's intrinsically really cool. And when I was young, and even to this day, I was just really into punk rock culture, and I feel like there's nothing more punk rock than science.
I'm John Rennie.
I'm Cara Maria.
I'm Brian Malow, and we are
Hacking the Planet on the Weather Channel.